Hi, welcome back. Now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to remove the Qloader from the T9 in case you need to remove it and wanna use the magazine feed. Okay? With this kind of mounting I have, you can use the foregrip and the bipod. With the Tiberius kit from Qloader, they put it underneath it so you have no use, or you can't use your bipod or the vertical grip. So with this mod, you can easily remove the Qloader if you wanted to. There, done. In under a minute, I have disassembled it, and you can see the mounting that I used to mount the Qloader underneath with a quick disconnect. Okay guys, so this is how I did it, and happy bidding.